No, no, little bear. It's much too early. Go back to bed right away and turn off the light.
Daddy, Mummy, come and look at my castle.
The next time that you come in and wake us up, little brown bear, I shall lose my temper.
Oh, but you want to sleep all the time and I'm bored. Oh, no.
What's going on here, little bear?
I wanted to surprise you, so I started to make breakfast for us all, then,
Oh, it's nothing, little bear. It doesn't matter. You go and see Mummy. I'll take care of this.
Shh! Stop that, little bear.
But it's only some music for the baby.
Oh dear, you've woken him with all that noise.
Oh dear, the baby's making a lot of noise, but why is he crying?
Don't worry, little bear. I think he's probably hungry.
Oh, okay. I know!
What's wrong? Don't you want to play anymore? Oh, well, come over here, my big little bear. Come and have some cuddles too. Vroom, 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 vroom.
I want to play with this toy. No, not those toys.
Vroom, vroom, toot, toot.
Hey, that's my lorry. That's mine.
Vroom.
Come back. That's my lorry.
Vroom, vroom.
Oh, sorry. Mummy, those cakes look great.
A loaf of bread, please.
Mummy, can I have a cake, please?
No, little bear, not right now.
But, Mummy, I'm hungry. I want a cake.
No, little bear, I said no.
But why not? You never want to buy me anything.
Now stop going on, little bear. I'm not getting you that cake because we're going to have supper soon.
But I'm hungry. I want a cake right now. You're horrible, you
That's
are.
enough, little bear. Come on, we're going home.
No, I don't want to go home. I want a cake.
Very well, I'm going home.
Mummy, it's dark. There's a wolf in my bedroom.
I'll go down to the cellar to switch the power back on.
Don't worry, little bear. It's just a power cut.
Bergamot the marmot.
Wait, Daddy.
What's the matter, little bear?
I've forgotten to go to the toilet. Okay, you can start now.
Right. Once upon a time, there was
Mummy! Mummy, I'm thirsty.
Here's a glass of water.
Thank you.
Right then, Bergamot the marmot.
Oh, my favourite toy. I've left it downstairs. I'll be right back. I'm ready now, Daddy. You can start reading the story now.
Where was I? Oh, yes. Once upon a time, there was a little marmot who was never tired, which in fact is a little strange for a marmot.
There's the bricks. Now we can rebuild the castle.
No, little bear. It's too late to play. Now you really do have to tidy your room.
But I'm fed up tidying my room all the time. With you, I can never play.
Now listen, little bear. You wouldn't want those naughty pirates to steal all your toys away, would you?
No, of course not.
So hurry up. Help me hide the treasure in the chest.
Okay, all right.
What are you doing?
I'm doing some gardening. I'm planting some flowers.
But, little bear, cut flowers will not grow again. And just look at you. You're soaking wet. Go and change.
No, I'm not coming in yet. I haven't finished.
Yes, you are, or you'll catch cold.
But I'm not cold. I want to stay leave me alone. No, I don't want to get changed. I don't want to take my boots off.
Now listen, that's quite enough.
You're so horrible. Really horrible.
No, you're the one who's horrible. Now calm down, little bear. I've got work to do.
You're horrid, you're horrid, you're horrid. When will Granny and Grandpa be here?
They shouldn't be long now, little bear.
But I'm very, very hungry.
Just be a little more patient, little bear. Why don't you come and help us lay the table in the meantime?
Okay. Here, Puss Puss. Daddy! Daddy!
Hello, what's the matter? Have you lost your daddy? Huh?
Daddy! I want my daddy!
So what does your daddy look like?
It's my daddy!
Don't worry, we'll find your daddy.
Where did you go, little bear? I looked everywhere for you.
Daddy!
Little Brown Bear was too sad to explain what happened, and now he is too happy to talk.
Now, little bear, stop jumping on the sofa. It's time to go to bed.
Oh no, Mummy! I don't want to go to bed! I want to jump around and play!
We'll see about that. Little bear.
Yahoo! I can jump the highest!
And you'll also go to bed the quickest.
Stop, Daddy! I'll go on my own! Leave me alone! Put me down! Put me down!
Will you stop fooling around, little bear?
Watch this! You can't see me anymore! I've turned the light off!
Now I'm starting to get cross, little brown bear.
No, I'll go! I'll go to bed, Daddy!
Now that's enough, little brown bear.
Look at me, I'm Super Little Bear! Oh, yay! Yippee! I'm going to fly away!
Oh, are you okay, little bear?
When Little Brown Bear plays the fool, he's sure to end up in trouble. Then all of a sudden he becomes a little bear wanting a cuddle.
Oh, no! I'm not going to wear those clothes!
Oh, really? And why is that?
Because they are too tight for me.
So why don't you wear your red trousers with your yellow jumper?
No. I'm going to choose. I'm going to get dressed on my own.
All right, little bear, but hurry up, will you? And I'll get myself ready.
Okay, Mummy. Ah!
What's wrong, little bear? Are you so scared of the water?
No, it's the sea. It's too big. And then the waves, they're too big too.
There's nothing to be scared of, little bear. Come on, follow me.
Oh, yes, hello there. How are you?
Mummy, I need another piece of paper.
Later, little bear. And haven't I already told you not to bother me when I'm on the phone? Little bear? But, what are you doing?
Can't you see, Mummy? I'm repainting the walls.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. This way, Daddy will be happy and he'll have less work to do.
Little bear, this is ridiculous.
Little Brown Bear gets paint everywhere. He enjoys himself without a care, but Mummy can only stare and look on in despair.
A castle with those bricks? No, thanks. I'd rather do a puzzle. Well, I don't really like puzzles much.
Well, I'd like to do a puzzle with you, little grey bear.
But I was playing with Little Grey Bear first.
Hey, give me back my puzzle. Come on now, little bears. Sit down, please, everybody. For me, everyone, I'm Sam the superhero.
No, Little Grey Bear. I'm the superhero, not you.
Yes, it is me. I've got a mask. You haven't.
But I was Sam first and I can climb higher than you.
Well, I could run faster. Hey, now calm down, little bears.
But, Mummy, Little Grey Bear says he's the superhero and it's not true. Well, I'm going to play with my dolly.
The rule, little bear, no looking.
Why do you hide hide the sweeties, Mummy?
Because you're far too greedy, little bear. Huh? You're cheating, little bear. Coming, little bear? It's time for a nap.
Oh, no, Mummy. I don't want to.
Well, I've just seen little bear yawn, which means he must be very tired.
No, I'm not tired. I am not going to bed. Hey!
An obedient little bear always does what his mummy says.
No! Daddy, leave me alone. I don't want to. Why do we always have to have a nap after lunch?
Because a nice nap lets us relax and afterwards we're in top form and up we go. See you later, little bear.
Up we go. Up we go. Up we go.
Just a minute, little bear. Is that how you relax?
But Daddy, I really am not sleepy at all.
What do you think you're doing, little bear? Stop that straight away.
But it's for Father Christmas. I can never do anything right.
Of course you can, little bear. I'm sure that you can help us decorate the Christmas tree.
The two of us play really well together, don't we, little cat? Come on, Puss. Try to catch the duck. Puss, watch out!
Now you know the cats don't like water, little bear.
I've left something in my room. I'm going to fetch it. I'll be right back. You won't catch my feet, Puss, nor my hands either. Ow! My hand!
But what's going on, little bear? Oh, it's nothing at all. It's just a scratch.
You're a nasty Puss. I don't like you anymore. You're not my friend anymore.
But Puss didn't mean to hurt you. Look, he's come to give